Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value. Today we're going to do our daily technical analysis update of commodities, work our way through the dollar, yields, precious metals, and commodities ETFs that I follow. I'll interject my financial opinions as we go through it. If you need help with anything, check out finding-value.com. That's where I dive deeper into all these topics, subjects, sectors, looking for potential investment opportunities and sharing them with everybody in the community. I do that through midweek updates and also through Q&A sessions on the weekend. We got Special is the coupon code if you'd like to sign up. That works both on the monthly and yearly memberships. All right, let's dive in, take a look, see what's going on today. Starting with the DXY, and again, I think we're going higher. I know everybody's telling me we're going to lower interest rates and yields are going to fall, but the chart kind of says the other could happen. We could move to the upside here. We got a bullish engulfing candlestick today, and I am still in the camp that this could go higher. Higher, I know. That's what I'm seeing. Falling wedge here. So what I think this is ultimately a double bottom. It's very similar to the other bottoms that we had before, as in here and here. So I think that's similar to that. And we could see this track on higher. Yields are up. So this is where it gets interesting, guys. This is where narrative meets charting. Narrative meets charting here. So we're at the bottom of this wedge pattern. This is a falling wedge. That generally breaks upward, that arrow going up. We're towards the bottom end. We just got a bullish engulfing. Higher. Higher. I know. Everybody wants to tell me they're going to lower interest rates. That's not really what this is. What is this here then, guys? That's a bullish engulfing to go higher. The 10 years up 1%. Could we bottom here? Maybe. We're back to support on the long end, the 10 year. We'll see if we turn or if we've got more downside pressure. So we'll see. The 30 years up 0.77. We had some pretty strong pressure here to the downside on the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days before today. But today we got a little bit of a bounce, and we'll have to see what the bounce looks like. Are we going to come up and do one of these and roll over? Are we going to do double bottom? I don't know, but we'll see what it does. TLT bond prices are lower today. Obviously, with higher yields, you get lower bond prices. Some people think that we've had a breakout here, and I'm in the camp that we have not broken out, but I think the downtrend is still intact, and we'll see where we go. This is a bullish formation here, but we may not have a ton of follow-through. Maybe we get only up here or something like that. We'll see. We'll see what happens. The 2 and the 10 yield curve inversion. That means that the 2-year went up more than the 10-year. The yield curve's inverting a little bit today. So not with the dollar up and yield curve inversion, that's not a tailwind behind gold. That's a little bit of a headwind. So you have TYX TNX ratio down a little bit. No tailwind behind gold here. Gold is down $8 an ounce. Now this is holding quite well. It doesn't look bad. It's not a huge selling pressure candlestick. So that still looks good, and we've broken out of that pattern to the upside. Silver's down 1.2%. Yeah, I got a little bit of selling pressure. It could be a bearish engulfing. We'll see what happens. If there's no follow-through, it doesn't matter. If there's follow-through where it really sells off, then yeah, okay, getting some selling pressure, could see a little bit of a consolidation pullback move. But right now, I'm remaining open. Platinum down a little bit, still above support. And then palladium up 1%. Palladium looks good. We covered that gap there, so looks good to work its way on up. And again, I know the chart from before, it's a double bottom here. It's a falling wedge into a double bottom. And I do think we're going to break higher with time. We'll go into an uptrend. This is your bottom here. So your pullback, your bottom, and then we'll go into an uptrend. XEU to gold ratio is down 1%. So a little bit of selling, a little bit of underperformance for the gold and silver mining companies today. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. So yeah, we're still at ridiculously low levels though. So GDX is down slightly, down 0.6%. Is it a reversal candlestick? Yeah, it is. Could we consolidate sideways or something? We could. We could. We got GDXJ doing something very similar and SILJ doing something similar. So we could get a consolidation sideways here. It's possible. Now, it doesn't have to do that. Just because I say it's possible does not mean that we will get what I just said. We are in an uptrend. So if an uptrend is strong enough, it can just keep going. It'll blow through it. But again, that is a reversal candlestick, and we could drift sideways or lower or something in some sort of consolidation, which is possible. Crude oil, we're up 0.66. Not a great looking chart. We didn't finish towards the closing strong or anything like that. We left a wick at the top. Could this come on down here? We could. We could still see a little bit of a pullback with the candlesticks that I see forming there. TTF gas down slightly. That looks good though to go higher. This looks like it's trying to bottom, work its way on up. Natural gas in America, 0.84% higher. Again, that looks good. Good to work its way on up. The reason we've got that broken downtrend. And for some reason, my trend lines are like moving all over the place. I don't know why. That looks okay. I'm not really bullish or bearish here. Like, it's not like, oh man, this is a great setup. It just looks okay. Our boy XOP, yeah, you know me, still above support of this flag pattern, so it still looks good. We've got OIH down a little bit, but still not a ton of selling pressure. We're still contained within this upper candlestick here. So think of it as like a flag pattern that could continue higher. Newcastle coal futures, looks like we're getting a little more of a sell-off here in coal. So we're coming back into support. Sprott Physical Uranium Trust down about 0.5%. And not much follow through. It still looks good. And we're sitting on top of a flag pattern. So again, stay bullish. That's all I'm going to say. Uranium futures prices up 0.8%. Still looking fantastic. No problem there. The equities are higher. URA up 1%, looking good, sitting on top of a flag. So that still looks good. And Uranium's up, and URNJ is up. And we're sitting on top of all these support flag patterns, whatever pattern. So it's all bullish to continue higher. Nickel down slightly. Still looks okay to me. Still chopping sideways here in that dead period. We've got copper up slightly, 0.4% up. And we've been chopping, we've been drifting a little bit higher here, if that holds. So we're drifting on up. It looks good. The equity's up just a teeny bit. Still looks all right. We're sitting on top of everything here, guys. So this is bullish. We got up there for a reason, and even though it may be tired, it could be tired where we might go sideways a little bit. But overall, it's in a bullish formation. Lithium getting sold off today, down 3.72%. Yeah, we're sitting on top of support. It still looks fine. There's the support there going across. REMX, a little bit of sell-off. We could get a consolidation or a little bit of a pullback here. We've had a pretty big run. And a lot of the times you do get a consolidation pullback up there. So that's a double bottom. We've broken out of that, and sometimes we consolidate here. Iron ore down a little bit, but still looks bullish to me. We're heading higher. So we were down a little bit today. There it is. A little bloody nose. Continuation pattern higher. Aluminum up 0.7%, but still underneath the 2650 level breakout. So we're getting there. Give it time. Baltic Dry Index up 2%. Still looks good to go higher. There's your pattern. This is all the pattern there. And we've broken out of that pattern to the upside. Emerging markets. Wow, I'm surprised. Higher dollar, higher emerging markets. Pretty dang strong here, guys. Emerging markets is looking good. Very good. Move down slightly at resistance. No worries there. We've been consolidating for a little while. Be patient, it'll break. KRE down 1%. And again, a little bit of selling pressure. Still above a lot of support though. Still looks good. I would be patient. XHB down 3%. Is the trend broken? No, it's good. Can extend those out. We're not even below that. It's a little bit of selling pressure today, but no reversal candlestick. So I'd just be patient, wait for it to continue to go higher. Russell down a little bit, still well contained. Looks a little bit of a rising wedge-ish going on here. So we'll see if we punch out to the downside and if that's actually a, a rising wedge or not. But yeah, it looks okay. S&P 500, a little rising wedge. We'll see if we pop out to the downside or not. And the NASDAQ rising wedge. On top of a rising wedge, we have rising wedge, breakdown, and then a retest. We'll see if that punches lower or not. DJT down 0.8, still above support here, so we'll just let it do its thing until we get there. XLY down a little bit. It's still holding on with the little wicks at the bottom there. We're still above support. So again, this is bearish up here. That's bearish up there, but we're not getting any follow through. So kind of just have to sit and wait and see what it looks like. Bitcoin down slightly, but still looks bullish. We're still above support. Everything looks okay to go up. Ethereum down slightly, but it's just chopping sideways there. Still looks okay. No, nothing really to report there. That's new. Uptrend still intact. MicroStrategy is chopping sideways. This could be the Batman pattern, but we got to see some stronger selling pressure over here for me to be convinced that that is the case. And the VIX is down. It's being held lower, so it's still okay. We're chopping sideways, and the markets aren't really doing all that much. Just kind of floating around and chopping around at the moment. But that's all I've got for today. So give me a thumb up for the content. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the website if you'd like. Special with the coupon code. I'm going to release a midweek update later today. Sharing my thoughts and opinions on what I see in the market, and give you my opinions there. So that's all I've got. We'll catch you next time. This is Finding Value.